So this colour that we used earlier, we're going to now put this over the top of the nude. Just going to make it all shimmery. I am just going to use one coat though. I don't want to bulk out the nails too much with too many layers of gel polish. That's enough just to give it that shimmer. Pop that into the lamp. What I'm going to do next is apply the top coat. So it's Urban Graffiti top coat. Don't use the Mega Gloss for this because we're going over the top of gel polish. Gel polish is soft and you need a soft gel top coat, and that is the Urban Graffiti one. Pop that in. So the only thing that you can't change is the underside of the nail. So obviously you will see the old colour underneath. Yeah, you could try and, you know, paint under there, but oh, that'd be an absolute nightmare to do. So sack that. Just change the top. That is fine. So this one here, I'm going to use one of the pearly colours, which is 52. May have a name. It's a bit gorgeous, this colour is. And I only need a little bit of it, but I need a thin brush. So in this little damping dish here, I've got a little bit of the gel residue wipe off solution. That's going to help me keep this brush clean. And then I'm going to use a little bit of this colour. We're just going to edge this smile line, starting from the centre and working out to the edge. You can always adjust anything. And then I'm going to turn the hand over. Again, I'm going to work from the centre. And come round to the outer edge. I'm going to pop that in the lamp and cure that. I'm going to top coat this with Urban Graffiti. Pop that in the lamp for me. So they look pretty gorgeous like they are. You could just leave them like that. They look totally different. Or you could add even more bling to make them even better. What do you think? More bling?
Yeah, more bling.
Oh, yeah.
Definitely more bling.
So I've got something that I want to use on you. You've never had one before. You're gonna love it, Andrea.
Right, okay.
I've picked this out for you.
I like.
Just look at that. See, this isn't that big compared to some spinny things. So I think you'll cope with it. Yeah. Perfectly fine. I'm just going to figure out where I'm going to put it. Oh, it looks nice in lots of different places, doesn't it? What do you think? Do we think here? Or will they catch it? We're going to catch it a bit more there. We could go here. Or we could go here. I like here. Do you think? We do like your input. man's view.
Where should we put the spinning bow, Adam?
If the viewers would like to know, I just rolled my eyes.
Out loud. He just rolled his eyes out loud.
I roll.
So, do you know?
Hashtag I roll. Everything's getting hashtagged with I roll.
So what do you think?
Yes.
Are we going for this one?
Yes.
The only thing is, I really want to put a load of stones on that one.
Yes.
Oh, don't be the yes man that just says yes to the lady. Whatever the lady says yes. That's what my brother does with his wife. Right, so we're going to use clear acrylic to adhere this to the nail. So we're going to get a small bead. We're going to pick it up. You see how this bottom bit spins? We want that to be in line with that sort of cuticle. So it's coming lengthways like this, not down. Jesus, my stomach. Press it in firmly. Take away any excess that's squirted out of the sides. And then, very neatly, we are just going to add a little bit of acrylic right around the edge of the base. So that little piece of metal that holds it all on, just adding some support. Keep it nice and neat, you don't want it to look ugly. Is that not just the best thing you've ever seen? Play till your heart's content. Right, we're going to let that set a little bit. While that's setting, I am going to add more bling to the nails. I've picked this out as well. We've had some gorgeous alloy pieces. Call them alloy pieces because they're on a piece of metal. And this is pretty cool because it's a cluster. Now some people find making a cluster with stones quite difficult, whereas this you can just literally attach it onto the nail and you have that cluster ready. So we're going to add that, and then we will also add some of our new stones that we've had as well. We've got some gorgeous AB stones. AB meaning Aurora Borealis. I'm going to put the pink stone at the back, I think. Kind of like that. So just with some acrylic, just adhere that. And then we're going to add some more stones around here. We'll do that with the acrylic. Now the stones are on, what I will do is get brush on glue and just go around the stones, which will just help secure them on. And also if there's any acrylic that's holding them on that will go matte, it'll just add a little bit of shine to them. So I'm going to finish those off with some cuticle oil. I've got the Freesia cuticle oil. Sorry. Just let it go down a little
Does
bit.
it go faster if you oil it?
Yeah, we oil it and it'll be like giving it a bit of WD-40. Just going to rub that oil in.
You're going to be playing with that all night.
I know, yeah.
Damien's going to be like, you stop it.
I know,
You stop it.
yeah.
Stop it.
Enough with the spinner already.
You'll wake up in the morning and it's
Yeah.
gone. Because he's taking it off while you're
He's
asleep.
taking a set of pliers to it. Oh, it just fell off in your sleep. It must have.
Got my own fidget spinner.
You're like, ah, in your sleep.
Yeah.
They are cool. And totally different. Just one more time. Maybe one more. So there you are, guys. I hope you've enjoyed that video of how to change the look of a set of nails when that client comes in and sits in the hot seat. Don't forget to check us out on Facebook and Instagram. All the products I've used today will be listed below. As always, do not forget, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
Why is he so high?
Because I'm on my
You're sitting
feet.
on your feet. Stop.